In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PayPal on Temu. Whether you're new to online shopping or a seasoned pro, this quick guide will walk you through the process seamlessly, ensuring you can make your purchases safely and efficiently. Let's dive in and start with the very first step of accessing the Temu website. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Temu website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You should see a wide range of items displayed on their homepage, sorted by categories and specials. This setup makes it easy for you to browse and find exactly what you're looking for. Once you've spotted an item that catches your interest, simply click on it. This will take you to a new page dedicated to that particular product, where you can view more detailed information, such as its specifications, price, and customer reviews. Taking a bit of time here to ensure this is exactly what you want will save you effort down the line. After you're satisfied with your choice, the next step is to add it to your cart. Find the Add to Cart button, usually located next to the product details, and give it a click. This action will place your chosen item in your virtual shopping cart, similar to gathering your items in a physical store. Now that everything is ready in your cart, let's move on to checking out. Click on the Go to Cart button, often found in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a summary page of all the products you're about to purchase. Here, you can make final adjustments, like changing quantities or removing items if you've had a change of heart. For the payment portion, you'll notice there's an option for Express Checkout with PayPal. Click on this option if you prefer to use PayPal for an easy and secure transaction. By doing so, you'll be seamlessly redirected to PayPal's website where you'll log into your account. Make sure you have your PayPal credentials handy for this step to proceed smoothly. After successfully logging into PayPal, follow the prompts to review your payment details one last time. Confirm that everything is in order before finalizing the transaction. PayPal offers an added layer of security and can handle your financial details, which means any personal data you enter is protected. Bear in mind, though, the availability of PayPal as a payment method might vary depending on your region. Some users may not have access to this option, so it's always good to check the payment options available to you before starting your shopping journey. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you make purchases on Temu using PayPal effortlessly. Remember, with online shopping, a careful approach ensures a smooth and satisfactory experience. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.